guys, today in this video I'm going to explain you the chatbot. So what does the chatbot mean? The chatbot mean that when you're writing something to the chatbot and you get an answer, there's a little function about chatbot. It exists a lot of chatbots, intelligent chatbots. They're not intelligent, they're just, the complexive. The people sit here, programmer, write a new function day by day. If you watched my assistant Mia, you will see that it's almost doing everything which I wrote there. So in this video now, I'm going to explain you what does that mean. When you will understand that this is not something magical, this is not difficult, you will be able to do that with yourself. And maybe you will have, if you are not a Pythoner, maybe you will have some, you will, feel something that you want to be Pythoner, and a majority of people will go and just install the Python. It's nice. So before installing the Python, I recommend you, as I said, the first of all install the Python, normal Python. Link will be in the description down below. Then you can install the PyCharm. What does a PyCharm mean? PyCharm have two editions. First is free, second with money. So if you don't want to pay money for that, it's okay. For example, I'm using the free edition and it's good. I didn't see any limits there. Maybe it have. Maybe I didn't have a big project which needs. And you're gonna install it, all right, for free. Then you're going to the PyCharm. So it's okay if you don't understand anything. The first time when I installed the PyCharm, I was like in a forest. Yeah, I wasn't like in a forest, and I didn't understand what I have to do. I didn't understood what is this. I wrote my program, and I don't know what I'm gonna do that, how I'm gonna launch it. What is a Python interpreter? But once you learn it, you understand the PyCharm is best one among the other Python, because and with installing the PyCharm, I understood how the libraries work. What is the important libraries. I started to do a lot of things. I even can write a program which show you write your the number, and the program show you where you are for now. Yeah, we will have a lot of projects, a lot of guys in the future, but for now let's talk about chatbot. So this is a chatbot program, little program. Yeah, you will see. Oh Jesus, what is that? No, look, here's nothing just difficult. You have to know, and look, this is a program input. You have to write this code. You don't pay attention to this. This is just the input. This input and this input are not same. Just this is a title of my program. So I wrote here a equals input. What is your name? What does that mean? That means when you will start a program with the run button is look like this in a PyCharm. I will show you in the next video. All right, when I will start talk about a PyCharm, I will explain you and the other people who want to learn, who want to understand, who want to start a PyCharm, and I will absolutely talk about everything, every details. So a equals int input. What is your name? When you will start program, you will see in the screen what is your name. That's great, and you will write your name, your own name. It's okay. When you will press enter, you will see in the screen welcome and your name. So you can even check it up right now if you have a Python, if you know the Python. But if you don't know Python, it's okay. In the next video, you're gonna understand what a Python means. Python is the best program among the other. I don't say that the other program are all bullshit or something else. No, the other program, to understand the other programs, if we will compare the other programs, and this is more simple language. So a equals to, all right, a equals to input your name. You write here your name. You put this word or number you can write to this box, and this box. All right, let's just write here a. you give to A the value your name. And once you give your name to this box, it's gonna be there all the time until you will finish your progress or you will go quit from program. So, and when you will press enter, welcome, and why I put the quotes here to the welcome, but A without quotes, you will have a question right now. Because welcome is not a program. If I will write it without quotes, I have to write there like, let me explain you. I'm sorry, I just shut it with my phone and alone, so it's not comfortable right now. So if I want to write it without quotes, I have to write here welcome equals to the value something, all right? So then I can just remove this. But I want to see the welcome. So then you press the enter, then you will see input. You're not going to see input in a screen. I wrote here input, how is your day? Then the box B want information about it. And here's the thing. Starts a little bit serious thing. If, look, this B box, this is a B, all right, already have two values. This will always be there until you will change this. Even if you will close and start again the program, these two words, good and not bad, will always in the B box. You're writing here not bad, for example, or good. One of them you have to choose. Press enter, then you will see in the screen great. But if you will write something else, numbers or I don't know, you're gonna see sorry. The sorry we can add here. I didn't add a stud. All right, so I will write here. So I think that was a very, very simple program function, and I think you understood everything. If you have some question, put a comment down below. All right, I wish you good luck. I just want you to support me for the future. Let's just support this channel and make this channel popular, one of the greatest program channels in the world. Let's do that. We can do that. All right, I believe in you. Let's go.